Looking for the best circular saw in 2026? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, the right circular saw can make your cutting faster, smoother, and more precise. In today's video, we've picked the top circular saws you can buy right now, based on power, performance, and value. Let's get started. Starting at number 1. WORKPRO 20V Cordless. The WORKPRO 20V Cordless Mini Circular Saw is a compact and powerful cutting tool designed for precision and convenience in woodworking and DIY projects. Featuring a 4.5-inch blade and a high-speed motor running at 4,500 revolutions per minute, it delivers smooth and efficient cutting performance for a variety of materials. The saw comes with a 4.0 hour rechargeable battery and fast charger, ensuring longer runtime and reduced downtime during work. It includes 3 different blades for added versatility and a built-in laser guide to help improve cutting accuracy. With a maximum cutting depth of 1 11/16 inches at 90 degrees and 1 1/8 inches at 45 degrees, it is suitable for angled and straight cuts. Lightweight and cordless, this mini circular saw offers excellent portability and ease of use for home improvement, carpentry, and on-the-go construction tasks. Number 2. DEWALT 7¼ Circular Saw. The DEWALT 7¼ Circular Saw, DWE 575, is a lightweight, high-performance corded saw designed for professional-grade cutting power and precision. Built with durability and ease of use in mind, it delivers reliable performance for a wide range of woodworking and construction tasks. Its powerful motor provides strong cutting capability, while the 7¼ blade allows for deep and accurate cuts in materials like lumber, plywood, and other building materials. Despite its strength, the saw is designed to be compact and lightweight, reducing user fatigue during extended use and improving overall control. Ideal for both contractors and DIY enthusiasts, the DEWALT DWE 575 combines portability, efficiency, and trusted DEWALT durability for everyday job site demands. Number 3. SKIL 16 5/16 inches. The SKIL 16 5/16 inches Magnesium Worm Drive Skill Saw Circular Saw, SPT70V11, is a heavy-duty cutting tool built for professional-grade performance and large-scale woodworking applications. Equipped with a powerful worm drive system, it delivers high torque and consistent cutting power, making it ideal for demanding tasks such as framing, beams, and thick lumber. The large 16 5/16 blade allows for deep, precise cuts in heavy materials, reducing the need for multiple passes. Constructed with a durable yet lightweight magnesium housing, it offers improved strength while helping reduce overall tool weight for better handling and control. Designed for job site reliability, this skill saw combines raw power, durability, and precision, making it a trusted choice for contractors and serious. Number 4. WORX Cordless Circular Saw. The WORX Cordless Circular Saw is a powerful and efficient cutting tool designed for both DIY users and professionals who need portability without sacrificing performance. It features a 7¼ blade and a high-efficiency brushless motor that delivers faster, smoother cuts with speeds of up to 6,100 revolutions per minute. Powered by a 20V 4.0 battery, it offers reliable cordless operation and is compatible with the WORX PowerShare system for expanded battery use across multiple tools. Its ultra-lightweight design improves control and reduces fatigue during extended use, making it easier to handle in various cutting applications. With the included charger and durable build quality, this circular saw is well suited for woodworking, home improvement, and on-site construction tasks where convenience and power are equally important. Number 5. ROTORAZER Saw Platinum Compact Circular Saw. The ROTORAZER Saw Platinum Compact Circular Saw Set, new model 2026, is a versatile and upgraded cutting tool designed for precision work across a wide range of materials. Built to be compact yet extra powerful, it delivers deeper and more controlled cuts, making it suitable for tasks involving drywall, tile, grout, metal, pipes, PVC, plastic, and copper. Its lightweight design improves maneuverability, allowing users to work easily in tight or detailed spaces where larger saws may not fit. The set is designed for both DIY projects and light professional use, offering convenience, portability, and multi-material cutting capability in one tool. Finished in a distinctive green design and promoted as seen on TV, it emphasizes ease of use and all-in-one functionality for home improvement and repair tasks. Thanks for watching. All product links are in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful tool and tech reviews. See you in the next one.